Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. Now if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates at the earliest. Now Nirmal Bang has come out with a research report on a very high quality real estate development company with a potential upside of 35%. Please watch this video to know more. Friends, and also if you are benefited by the content that you see on our channel, please don't forget to share this video. Also like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't still done so. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Nesco Limited, which is available at 588.75, and the price when this was initially recommended was 613, which means that now it's available at a better price compared to when it was initially recommended. The target price for this stock has been set at 794. The code for the company is NESCO. Now Nesco Limited is a holding company engaged in activities including information technology park building, exhibition and convention center space providing, manufacture of machinery, equipment and capital goods, and also other investments. Now if you were to look at the 1 year chart, you would see that the company has been a slow mover and it does not just run away, but it's a slow compounder over time. Now the market cap of the company is 4,148.33 crores, which means that the company is a mid cap one. The EPS is 25.65, which translates into a price to earnings ratio of 22.95, which is in line to the industry PE of 22.30. The book value is 120.72, which translates into a price to book ratio of 4.88. The debt to equity is 0.1150, which means that the company has very little debt. The return on equity is 0.2228. The dividend yield for the company is low at 0.37, whereas the promoter holding here is 68.18, which is good. The 52-week high for the company is 650, whereas the 52-week low is 400.20. Now, some of the points that they have highlighted are the management strategy driven by expansion of commercial space and exhibition center would be a positive. Also, the restructuring of Nexco IT Park is a positive. Also, the client stickiness at the Bombay Exhibition Center is a strong point for this company. The company is expected to remain debt-free over the longer horizon despite undertaking heavy capex. Now, the conservative valuation does not include valuation of 23 acres of land, and hence they recommend buy with a target price of 794. Now, they have also highlighted two risks, which are delay in incurring planned capital expenditure and unexpected increase in the vacancy rate. Now, friends, please don't treat this as stock recommendation of any sort. Please go ahead and do your own research, and this is all what we wanted to show you for today.